How to send HD photos and videos on WhatsApp on the new update. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can send high quality or high definitive images on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So open up WhatsApp, and this you're just opening up a specific group or person over here, and now you simply go ahead and select any of the media that maybe you might want to send to this person over here. So let me go ahead and do this. Now when I hit this and when I hit the send button, by default WhatsApp is going to compress this image, but if I want to send this in a high definitive format, I just have to tap the HD option that you can find here at the very top. Now to get this option you need to update WhatsApp because it's a new option, and now you can select HD quality. Once you select HD quality, you can just hit the arrow option over here and then send this photo or video in very high definitive format. It works for both videos and images, so this way you'll be able to basically send high quality videos on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.